Okay, hi everybody, Terry Brown here, and I want to thank you for stopping by to check out this video today. Have you heard of the Really Simple System? Man, if you haven't heard of it, you really should hear about this. Look, we've got an incredible free marketing system that does some really cool stuff, okay? You'll be able to generate leads, you'll be able to make money all at the same time, and you can sign up for free and do the easy steps to get you rolling. Now, take a look at this for me. It says, who else wants a way to start making instant commissions online without having to buy anything first? As a completely free member, you'll earn $5 instantly deposited automatically into your Bitcoin wallet. Now, let me tell you something. I did not have a Bitcoin wallet before I got in this business. It took me about 3 minutes to get one. Nothing complicated. You just sign up, and you sign up. You pick out a username, you pick out a password, and boom, you've got a Bitcoin wallet that you can use that people can send money to you. Okay, and so every time you get someone to a page like this, and we have several pages that you can use, and they decide, to do the system, to really go in, to go at it, then you're going to get paid. And guess what? Everybody comes in for free. All right. Now, I just want to share this with you, and then we're going to close this video down today. Okay, I just wanted you to see this really quickly, and you'll be able to see this page once you get in. All right, and as you can see, there's a free system, as we talked about, okay, and there's a pro system. Now, you get some amazing things with the free system. You don't have to go pro, but pro is only $15 one time out of pocket, and you get some more amazing stuff added on, with the free system, amazing stuff. Okay, hopefully that makes sense. All right, but nonetheless, again, the pro system is $15 one time out of pocket. And then you're just going to make more money when people come and join the system, okay? So that's one reason to think about the pro system. But again, you don't have to. Then we've got this thing called shareables, and there's some incredible information. This is an incredible tool that you can use to help to build your business. Now, this system is a lead generation system and an income building system. Okay, very powerful. You really need to get involved. Why? One, because it's free. Two, because it will help you in growing what other business you may be involved in. And as you can see here, the promo tools, we've got a traffic builder here. And then you see stats and contact and login. Okay. So what I'd like you to do is grab the link in the description area of this video. Go ahead and get signed up for free. Do the simple steps and get rolling. Okay, don't hesitate, don't wait. It's free. Guess what? Nothing is better than free 99. All right, so there you have it. It's free 99. All right, so grab that link. No, seriously, grab the link. Get started today. All right, and start generating some leads. Start making some money. I'm Terry Brown. I'm signing off. Wishing you a blessed day. Now, before I do actually sign off, I'm also going to have a bonus link there in the description area. Check that out as well. Boy, it's time to make some money. It's time to stop playing around and make some money. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye now.